Namaste yogis. Today we will discuss about Jnana Yoga. Jnana, jnana refers not just to intellectual understanding but to direct experiential knowledge of the self, Atma, and ultimate reality, Brahman. In yogic philosophy, this wisdom is beyond learning from a book or theory. It is a deep realization that dissolves ignorance, avidya, and reveals truth. The key practices, the threefold practice of Jnana Yoga: Shravan, Manan, and Nididhyasan. Shravan, listening to the scriptures and teachings of the non dual truth, especially from a realized teacher. The primary sources are the Upanishads, which are the crown jewels of Vedic wisdom. Second is Manan, deep reflection upon what has been heard. The intellect examines the teachings, clears doubts, and uses reasoning to internalize the truth. Nididhyasana, meditative absorption on the self. Once the knowledge is firmly established in the mind, the seeker meditates upon it without distraction and again until the ego dissolves and the truth is realized. Next is sadhana chatushtaya, is the fourfold way of self-control, cleansing oneself, purifying, making oneself fit for the entry of that which is supremely divine. These four ways are methods, practices that are known as Viveka, Vairagya, Satsampatti, and Mumukshadva. Here, Viveka is the ability to discern between the eternal and transit, between the self and the non self. Vairagya is dispassion towards worldly pleasures and outcomes based on the understanding of their impermanence. Shat Sampatti is a group of six virtues including Shama, regulation of mind, Dhamma, control of senses, Aprati, self withdrawal, Titiksha, fortitude, Shraddha is faith, and Samadhana is satisfaction. Under Mumukshatva, an intense longing for liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Once these are in place, the seeker begins the practice of Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana as described earlier. It is also important to spend regular time in solitude and silence, away from the distractions of modern life. Daily contemplation, study of scriptures, guidance from a qualified teacher, guru, and reflection upon one's own thoughts form the core of how to follow the path of Jnana Yoga. It is a lifelong discipline that matures with time, humility, and grace. No study of Jnana Yoga is complete without a deep immersion in the Upanishad, which are the philosophical essence of the Vedas. These ancient texts, composed by the rishis of India, offer a direct path to understanding the self. Some of the most famous declarations, called Mahavakya, come from these scriptures. They are like Tattvam Asi, you are that, Aham Brahmasami, I am Brahman, Niti Niti, not this, the self is beyond all attributes and forms. These teachings are not theoretical conclusions, these are revelations born from deep meditation and confirmed through direct experience. The Jnana Yoga teachings of the Upanishads are meant to be contemplated, digested, and lived. When practiced with sincerity, they have the potential to seeker to the highest realization. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.